ChatGPT, very generic yung outputs if hindi mo matitrain ng maayos. Hindi rin ganun kaganda yung pagsasalita niya. Although, mura siya and madali siyang gamitin, perfect for beginners. So, we'll have to put ChatGPT into A tier. Next, Manus, very good agentic AI model. Kung mahilig ka sa mga agents, kung mahilig ka sa automations, no, Manus is a perfect place to start. Although medyo costly siya, medyo pricey, so ilalagay natin siya sa B tier. Perplexity, same with Manus, agentic AI model. Although costly din siya and sa digital marketing, hindi naman masyadong ginagamit yung agents. We're more focused on writing. So, Perplexity will have to go same tier with Manus, B tier. Next, we have Grok. Sino bang gumagamit ng Grok? In terms of writing, di rin naman siya mas maganda kaysa kay ChatGPT. There are better models to use than Grok. So, we'll have to put Grok sa C tier. Next, we have Gemini. Before, Gemini used to be S tier dahil napakaganda ng Nano Banana Pro. Pero ngayon, nung lumabas yung ChatGPT Image 2, mas maganda na si ChatGPT. Plus, yung generations ni Gemini, merong watermark. So ngayon, lalagyan na si Gemini into D tier. Straight into D tier. Kinancel ko na lahat ng subscription ko sa Gemini. Next, we have Claude. If you're into designing, if you're into coding, Claude can go really well. Napakaganda ng pagkakagawa ng Claude, pagkaka-train sa Claude in terms of coding. Now, in terms of writing, I'd say Claude is the best, much better than ChatGPT. Mag-fall off lang siya when it comes to strategy in terms of research, and also wala siyang sariling image generation model. You can bypass it by connecting Claude sa ChatGPT Image 2, but that's a topic for a separate video. But for now, Claude will go easily into A tier. Now, if you ask me, what's the S tier in terms of AI tools pagdating sa marketing, pagdating sa selling online? Actually, a bit controversial, no? Pero I think any LLM of your choice with specialty knowledge can go easily into S tier. It's not about the tool. It's about sino gumagamit ng tool and paano mo siya tinitraining to do the specific tasks na gusto mo ipagawa sa kanya. So, any LLM will do. Kahit anong ginagamit mo, mapa-chat, GPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, as long as you train it properly, naglagay ka ng specialty knowledge sa tool mo na yan, this will go a long way. This will go easily into S tier. Now, the good news, guys, if you are on ChatGPT, kung gumagamit kayo ng ChatGPT, we have actually trained a specific marketing team for different tasks. Ito yung tinatawag naming AI marketing team. So once you get access, makikita nyo, you have 15 bots na available. And ito yung mga features niya. Meron tayong team for ads, creative copywriting, content strategy, funnel strategy, offer pricing, research, sales, and closing. Napakadali lang niyang gamitin. So, pipili lang kayo ng bot na kailangan nyo gawin, or you can also search dito sa ating search bar. Let's say, gusto nyo ng copywriting. No? Gusto nyo ng scroll stopper. Or gusto nyo ng sales form or sales pages, VSLs. So, pipindutin nyo lang siya. And it will open a link directly sa inyong ChatGPT and magagamit nyo na siya. Okay? So, pipindutin nyo na start. It's also working kahit sa free version ng ChatGPT. So, you don't have to pay any subscription. And one-time payment lang tayo sa lahat ng marketing team. You can get instant access sa 15 na to. So, if you're interested sa AI marketing team, just comment team and my team will send you the link.